In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a large text box to a paper form, whether you're looking to gather detailed feedback, thoughts, or any form of extended response from your audience. Incorporating a large text box can be a critical feature for your form's success. We'll break down each step in a simple, easy-to-follow guide. To get started, you'll want to head to your Paperform dashboard. If you're new, you'll need to sign up or log in. Once you're in the dashboard, you have the option to either open an existing form that you'd like to edit or create a brand new one. For this demonstration, let's imagine you're creating a new form. You'll find the Create option prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be taken straight to the form editor. Once your form editor is open, you're ready to start adding questions. Look for the Add Question button in the interface. It should be easy to spot. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of options to choose from, depending on your form and the type of data you wish to collect. For our purpose, go ahead and select the Long Text option from the list. This choice is essential because it automatically generates a large text box for you, tailored for responses that require more than just a couple of lines. The perfect setup for open-ended questions. Now it's time to personalize this text box to fit your needs. You'll see a field to write your question or prompt. This is where you can get creative or specific, depending on what kind of responses you're hoping to receive. For instance, if you're aiming to get feedback from an event, you might type something like, "Share your feedback here." You have the flexibility to adjust the prompt to suit any context, whether it's for customer feedback, story submissions, or even general comments. As you craft your question, think about guiding your respondents. Clear instructions or pointed questions often yield more valuable and insightful responses. For example, suggesting they include specific details or experiences could enhance the feedback you get. After setting up your text box, don't forget to browse through any additional settings that might refine how the question appears or functions. For instance, you could decide whether the question is mandatory or not, ensuring you don't miss out on important input when the form is submitted. And there you have it. A detailed, large text box added successfully to your form in Paperform. This feature not only enriches your form's functionality, but also enhances the quality of data you gather. By engaging your audience with the right tools, you capture more meaningful insights. So whether you're crafting forms for personal projects or professional use, these simple steps ensure your forms are both effective and user-friendly. Happy form building!